Hey everybody, here's our quarantine lesson on benefits of exercise. So our benefits, here's what we're going to learn this week. What are we learning? What are the mental and physical benefits of exercise? Why are we learning them? So you know why you should exercise. There's importance to these things. How will you know? Now, these are things that you can do for me or for your parents. There'll be some questions at the end that you need to fill out. List 2 physical benefits of physical exercise and list 2 mental benefits of physical exercise. So what are your benefits when you exercise physically and mentally? And then can you recognize the 4 parts of successful exercise? And I've talked about this a ton in my online and at school at the beginning of the year. Okay. Remember your questions. Okay, you'll watch this video and it'll explain all of it. After you're done, you're going to do the spell your name PE. This is all in the presentation, so if you don't remember, you can go back and look at this. And these are the 4 parts of a good workout. Does it make you breathe heavier? Does it make your heart beat faster? Does it make you hot and sweaty? And does it make your muscles tired? Those are what you're looking for when you exercise. Okay, what are our learning targets again? How will we know? We can list 2 physical benefits of exercise, 2 mental benefits of exercise, and recognize the 4 parts of successful exercise, which we just talked about. Heavy breathing, makes you hotter, makes your heart beat faster, and makes your muscles tired. So, good luck on this lesson. Make sure you fill out the Google form.